In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy parent task columns to subitems in monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to mirror a parent item's key details, like owner, status, and date, inside its subitems so everything stays aligned. Start on the monday.com homepage. From here, head to your workspaces. This is where all your boards live, and it keeps everything organized by team or project. Open the workspace that contains the board you're working on, then select the board itself. Give the board a second to load so all columns and items populate properly. Find the parent item you want to copy from. On the far left of that item, click the small arrow to reveal its subitems area. This expands a panel directly under the parent, which is where you'll add subitems and bring over the same column values. Next, click the parent item to make sure it's active and copy the values you want to replicate. You can copy a single cell value by clicking into the cell and using your keyboard shortcut to copy, or by right-clicking and choosing copy where available. Focus on the columns you plan to carry over, owner, status, and date in this example. A quick tip: confirm that your subitems have the same column types visible. If the subitem structure doesn't include a matching column, you won't be able to paste or set the same value. Now, in the subitems section, click Add Subitem and give it a clear name. This keeps your structure readable and makes it easy to report on later. With the new subitem created, click the owner column in that subitem. Assign the same person as the parent by pasting the copied value if applicable, or simply reselect the same owner from the list. Consistent ownership ensures accountability stays intact from the parent down. Move to the status column in the subitem and set it to match the parent's status. If you copied the status text or color, paste it, otherwise choose the same status label from the dropdown. This keeps your workflow stage aligned and prevents confusion when filtering or creating dashboards. Finally, click the date column in the subitem and match the parent's date. You can paste the copied date value or pick the identical date on the calendar. Matching dates is crucial for scheduling, dependencies, and timeline views. Repeat this process for any additional subitems you create under the same parent. Keeping owner, status, and date consistent across the hierarchy helps your team scan, filter, and automate with confidence. And that's how you copy parent task columns to subitems in monday.com quickly and accurately.